See what is happening on Lagos Express Ibadan. See what is happening on Lagos Ibadan Expressway, for goodness sake. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at all the cars. Look at all the cars, story on long, just this tanker. Oh God, the cancer, you can't say tanker, it's a story on long. Jesus, look at it. Look at it. Jesus, Jesus, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad. There has never been this type of disaster before. This is terrible. Jesus! 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 Oh my God! Ha! God of Nazareth, please. I hope none of my family members are in it alone, but this is just very, very, very bad. This is very, very, very bad, though. Oh my God.
So wait, come down. You want to go now? Let people go. Go, make them go. Go front.
Lord have mercy. Lord, everything that Lord have mercy. Lord. God. God.